real shit. Lower east side with the chicks be waiting for them badass chicos that be running the streets all day. Bitches wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no. Wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no. Bitches wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no. Wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no. You forgot your radio. Your bitch made it laid on that cop. Bitch, you supposed to do that right, bitch. Every night we need that bag, cause every night we gon' need that bag. Cause mama need no bitch. Don't quit me, cause mama need no bitch. Take it down money, I don't play no games, bitch. Your daddy know what to say. Give me out some bread. Wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no. Wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no. Just wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no. Wanna play games with me, but I'm hitting straight. I tell you no.
Hey. Yeah. Sound show. Every Saturday right here DTF. Where we display some of the hottest indie/mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world.
That's a fact, Mika Babes.
You know it.
The Mika Babies requested a day.
Shout out to Joseline Hernandez.
That was a fact. That was a
Puerto Rican princess.
The Puerto Rican princess.
That was a hot one right there, Mika Babe. You know what I mean? She ever had that vibe.
Yes.
That's a big record. Joseline haven't been playing with her music, like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she's been
Every
hitting.
song she's putting out, she's hitting.
They
you know what I
hitting.
mean? Shout out to Joseline, shout out to Balistic Beatz for producing these hits as well.
You
You
know
know what
it.
I mean? They are working extremely, you know what I'm saying?
That's a fact.
Right, so we're gonna move on to this next record too. Once again, shout out to Joseline, shout out to Balistic Beatz, shout out to Zeus Network and all of that, man, right?
That's a fact, man.
Yeah,
Give it up
so you know
for
what I mean?
them,
We
man.
definitely
That's a fact.
looking and interested in working with y'all over there at Zeus Network, you know what I
That's
mean?
a
On
fact,
the different
Ace
sides of
Two.
the content. You know what I mean? Lemieux, come holla at us, man. We ready, baby.
What's up, Lemieux?
We ready, baby. You know what I'm
That's a
saying?
fact,
We gonna talk
baby.
business, man. We got stuff going on. We got people that's down with us that already worked on projects behind the scenes, right?
That's a
They
fact,
come get
Ace.
with us, man. We gonna talk, man. We gonna talk. Shout out to Lemieux Plummer, Zeus Records. You know what I'm saying?
That's
Shout
a
out to
fact.
LJ, Jason Tolbert, all of them over there. That's a fact. Joseline and Balistic have been doing anything with
Doing
that
their
Joseline
thing,
Cabaret
baby.
and with the music, right, me?
I have to agree.
Shout out to them, man.
Shout out to
So we're
them.
gonna move on, right, to the next H2 and Mika Baby request of the day.
Let's
We gotta
go.
take it overseas with this one.
Snowpiercer.
You know, we play some of the hottest Snowpiercer.
No, I'm saying Snowpiercer style. We doing.
Oh, we keep it moving?
Yeah, that's what I
Okay,
mean.
people don't know what that means.
Right.
You know, you gotta say
Okay. Well, let
runaway
me
train.
just.
Nobody knows what
Let me
that
just
means.
fill
You know what I'm
niggas
saying?
in
It's
when
too
I
long
say
for the snow word,
right,
too, you know?
right, yeah. You know when I
Remember
say
snow,
that,
that means the runaway
it's an
train, you know
inside
what I mean?
joke. You know when
Right.
with the crew meaning
That's
straight
why we
through.
can't throw out
Runaway
inside
train.
jokes. And, you know what I mean? Because not gonna know what you mean. You know what I mean?
That's all.
Keep it going like a runaway train.
Runaway
basically, you know what I'm
train.
saying? Well, we about to take it overseas with this one, babe. You know what I'm saying?
No doubt.
You know, we play some of the hottest independent music, independent and mainstream from artists all
All
over
over
the world.
That's 100.
World, right? So
That's
we're
a
about
fact.
to take it overseas to London, right, me?
Yes, sir.
Shout out to this artist Tion Wayne on this
Yes.
banging record right here. This joint is called Healing, man.
Healing.
So I'm gonna let Mika Baby bounce announce that, and then we're gonna get right into this joint. Sound Show 1.0 episode 3. Part 2 of it, you know what I'm saying?
Part 2.
So let's get ready to get into this record, right, Mika Baby?
Let's go.
Go ahead and get ready to announce that before we can turn the volume up on that. You know what I mean? Let the people hear that record. You know
No
what I
doubt,
mean?
y'all.
Let's
Again,
go, man.
so this is another one, another banger. Mika Baby requested a day, you guys. Let's give it up.
Yeah, H2.
Well, H2 and Mika Baby's requested a day, you guys.
Mika Baby
This
getting
is-
stuck, y'all.
Nah, this is some heat because I thought it was my,
Yeah,
my
both of
request.
us, right.
But it's all good. This is from Tion Wayne, you guys, and the title of this track is Healing.
Healing.
This
Mika
is a dope
Baby
one.
and H2 request of the day.
This is the one, y'all, from overseas, y'all, giving
If
us
it's
that
my
vibe.
request, so our request, your request is still
Sound
all of
show
our
request. The sound
Right, so
show
this is
radio
making the-
request.
There's no
There we
thing
go.
about that. It's the sound
There
show
we
request
go.
of the show. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
there we
Shout
go.
out to Tion Wayne on this one, man. This joint is called Healing. You know what I mean?
This is
This is
Healing.
a fire record right here. You know what I mean? Like we said, we display music from artists all over the world.
That's a
You know what I
fact.
mean? So shout out to Tion Wayne on this joint. This joint is called Healing. This is a fire record. You know what I'm saying? Everybody who supports what we doing. Sound Show Radio, man. The hottest. You know what I mean? 2 to 3. You know what I mean?
If you don't air, must feel it.
We have to go London drill on up real quick, right, man?
I'm here.
London, baby.
Shout out to Tion Wayne. This joint is crazy right here. This joint is called Healing.
Suck yourself. I said it, I'm here.
Hip hop market is big in London.
If you wanna tits or shit, I can flip the script, can't rap, then I give mad bitches. T when I don't fuck with snitches. From Rambo blazing kitchens, then he cried my first 6 figures. Funny how he came in the dance laughing, I sent him home with stitches. It's funny how things change, clouds on slippers. 20 pads on my shoe, 15 bags on my missus. I made me and that lifestyle, then I know I came up with killers. Nino got my back, that's pro, got my back, that bitch. I don't go no photo series, I had you more than a meal with Terry. I already know it does it day.
What's how we do at Social Radio? You always playing the hottest. That's a fact.
This is my OG, give me boost. Alright, what's time I shoot? If you don't pay what's needed.
You go with
All that time I spent on bones, I'm healing. I was in a deep cut scheme, but they wanna take my freedom. Fuck yourself, go suck yourself. I'm on watch. Oh, yeah, go. I get a touch.
The London time is crazy right now.
You know, I don't juggle juice. If they're outside, they can get locked up. What's what? Pro up, see them out. What's up? What's close? Who's in trying to shot? Shotgun shot. I guess my spinning like no tracks. What? 100 minutes in watch. Watch you hot, man. Everybody line up. Put on that 8 9 like blue. My connection non-stop. Pretty girl, I forget naughty. Just thought I was saucy. When you make a minute, it's sweet. And not everybody want Carly. Rude boy, Cisco, but Charlie. That's why I always been back on Carly. For the cool, anything I like, but them don't deserve me. If you don't air, must feel it. All that time I spent on the road, I'm healing. I was in the thing, got scheming. Why they wanna take my freedom? Fuck yourself, go suck yourself.
Go suck yourself. Hey, this is some heat right here. Hey.
Saturday 2 to 3, man, right here. We've been here at DTF Radio, man, so we're holding it down, displaying the hottest independent and mainstream hip-hop and R&B from artists all over the world.
That is
Tion
100.
Wayne is from London. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Tion Wayne on that record right there, Healing. All music is displayed on Soundshow Radio only. That's a fact.
Shout out to London.
Shout out to London, baby.
What the fuck are you talking
Word
about?
up.
Right me?
Fuck up me flat. Fuck up me flat,
Are you
fam.
mad, bruv?
You're mad, bruv.
You're mad, bruv? You know
Suck your mother.
Well, suck your mother, you know what I mean? Right, this is real live action talking to you,
It's
bro.
real live action.
Live, bruv, you know what I mean? Shout out to everybody in London doing their
Shout out
thing,
to
man.
everybody in
That's a
London.
fact, man. That record by Tion Wayne was crazy, man. That joint is called Healing. Shout out to my boy Soup, the whole dealer on the check, and I see
What
you
up,
guys.
Soup?
What up, Soup?
Right, man, we get ready for major expansion of the show all fall and winter, man. This is what it's all about. You know what I mean, moving them numbers online and shit. That was a hot record, man, by Tion Wayne, man. That joint was called
Healing.
You know what I'm saying? So we got 2 records left, you know what I'm saying? We figured we just do a quick break and just talk a little bit about what's been going on. And then we're going to close out with the final 2 records, right, y'all?
Yes, sir.
So we're going to come around to the panel. We've been doing so much, right, y'all, over the years, man.
Sir.
So much more on the way, man.
So
Regardless
much
of where
more.
we are, you know what I'm saying? So
No,
much
baby.
more on the way. So this will be our halftime breakdown of the show.
Sir.
And then we'll play 2 more records and then call it a day. You know what I'm saying?
Sir.
That's a fact, man. Shout out to ourselves, man, for holding it down 3 years, DTF Radio. You know what I'm saying?
Fact.
That's a fact, right? So how ready to be?